Next we come to the other part of the worksheet. It is algebra, worksheet 8 for workbook 8 standard. The first question here is, if the side of the rectangle is 5x plus 2, 2x plus 3, then the perimeter is. So to find perimeter we have to add these two and multiply by 2. So 5x plus 2, 2x plus 3 becomes 7x plus 5 into 2. So it becomes 14x plus 10. Okay. Next, the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called as origin. The sum of three consecutive number is 39. Then find the third number. So as you can see, the sum of three consecutive number is 14, 13 and 12 is 39. So you can mark 14 here. Okay. Next, which of the following is not the factor? So as you can see, 1, x plus 1, x minus 1 are all the factors. So minus 1 is not the factor. If the point minus 5 comma minus 3 lies in the quadrant. So if it lies in the quadrant, it lies in the third quadrant because both are negative. The factor of 1 minus x cube. The factor of 1 minus x cube is 1 minus x, 1 plus x square. Okay. xy plus 4, xy minus 4 are the factor of x square minus y 4 square should be 16. So they have written only 4. So this must come as 16 according to my calculation. This should be, or this should be 4 square. Not, this is not the answer. The answer is xy the whole square minus 4. The answer is B. Next, if the factor of a x square plus 8x plus 6 x plus m, so as you can see, we can write this as x plus 4. So by comparison, m is equals to 4. Okay, answer B. The factor of 2y plus 4. So 2 can be taken out common, y plus 2. Dash is the factor of all the numbers and expression. 1 is the factor of all the numbers and expression. Next, are z minus 1 the whole square and z square minus 1 are equal? Yes. They are not equal. So how to illustrate? Z minus 1 the whole square can be written as z minus 1 2 times. Z square minus 1 can be written as z plus 1 z minus 1. Hence they are not equal. Okay, next. The next question is, find the HCF and HCF of these numbers. So as you can see, 6 and 8 divided in 2 table. So the minimum power of x is x power 1. Minimum power of y is y power 2. So HCF is 2x y square. Factorize 4x square minus 12x plus 9. So it can be done in 1 into 3 method. So as we do, 4 into 9, 36. 36 can be written as 136, 218, 312, 4, 9 and 6, 6 are the factors. So if we add any 2, should become minus 12. So 1 plus 36 is not minus 12. 218 is 20. 312 is 15. 6, 9 is 13. 6 plus 6 is 12. So whenever this is plus sign, it becomes both plus or both minus. So because 12 sign is minus, we write this as minus 12. So we write 4x square minus 6x minus 6x plus 9. We take out 2 common, x common, so it becomes 2x minus 3 minus 3 into 2x minus 3. It becomes 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 the whole square. The angle of a triangle, this is very important question. These are asked in many question papers. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the smallest angle. So as you can see, the angles are 2x, 3x, 4x. Sum of all the angle 180 degree. Because they are in ratio, we write x. So we add all this, it becomes 9x, which is 180. So x equal to 20 degree. We find all the angles. Therefore, 2x equal to 40 degree is the smallest angle. 40 is the smallest angle. Okay. Then factorize is the reverse process of multiplication. Justify. Yes, factorize is the reverse process of multiplication. We consider a number 32. We factorize, we get 5 times 2. And if you multiply 32 5 times, it becomes, 2 5 times, it becomes 32. So therefore, they are reverse process. Find the common factor of 5xy minus 15yz and 45xyz. So as you can see, these are all multiple of 5. X is common in all. Y is common in all. So we write 5xy. So it becomes 5xy. Find the factor of a square plus ab plus bc plus ca. So as you know, we can take out a common, so it becomes a plus b. We can take out c common, it becomes c into b plus a. It becomes a plus b, a plus c. Now show that x cube minus x has 3 factor. So x cube minus x, you take out x common, it becomes x square minus 1. So x plus 1, x minus 1, therefore it has 3 factors. Please subscribe the channel, hit the like button. Thank you.